give you two guesses what we're getting done today. And here it is. 22 Honda Talon 1000R, factory rims, 32 1015, system 3, whatever these are called, 370s. They're mud tire. Freaking, that's what the car originally should have became, period. Perfect. Only thing that's different is it has the 2-inch spacers in the back. Nothing up front, but I mean, it looks freaking sick. Looks like it's just mint. I mean, couldn't be any happier with that. Now we just got to go out, rip on it, and see what it feels like with the bigger tires on it. I'm sure there's going to be a little bit of give and take with power and all that, but I don't really care. What good is all that power if you can't plant it to the dirt? These, I bet you can plant it to the dirt. Got 10 pounds in them. But yeah, if you're wondering what stock rims on a 22 Honda Talon look like with 32 1015s on it, that's what it looks like. Doesn't look bad at all. I mean, looks good. I mean, looks good enough that I don't feel that I really need to go and buy any more rims for it, to be honest. I mean, I might go and get 2 of these rears to put on the front, just so the back spacing is the same. But honestly, if I do that, I'm just gonna get more mud in the cab. I mean, I don't think there's gonna be any clearance issues whatsoever. About positive there won't be. Let's fire it up. Check. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Perfect. No issues whatsoever. So anyhow, there it is there. If you want a link to these tires, it'll be in the description to my affiliate links on Amazon. I got these tires in literally 2 business days. Well, let's see, today's Thursday, so I got them last night, so 3 business days. They were here at my door. Free shipping too. And anyhow, click the link below. It really helps out my channel when you guys buy stuff from my Amazon affiliate link. I know, shameless plug, blah, 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 but you know what? That's part of the reason we do this. And hey, now you don't have to buy it yourself and find out the hard way that it's not what you like. So anyhow, you're welcome. More videos to come. Alright guys, well I wanted to wrap this video up with a little more footage, but it's raining today and can't get a big cam dude and all that. And you're just not going to see that much of me holding the phone and whatever inside GoPros and everything, so there'll be more footage to come on this, but I just wanted to give you guys a side-by-side comparison. No pun intended. Or pun intended, I guess, whatever. But factory tire and the 32s. Like, there's a huge difference. And the size and the way they handle is just absolutely amazing. I mean, even in two-wheel drive, I was just ripping up any hill I pointed at, no issues. And what was the most important to me is I could point the car in a direction and it would go that way. I didn't hit a little tiny bit of mud like I did with the factory tires and it just slide, and I didn't know where it was going to go. And I had to really exaggerate my steering. Like, I had to like anticipate that it wasn't going to respond quickly, and I'd have to like turn early and all that kind of stuff, and kind of wait for the car to catch up with me with the factory tires. With these, I point it that way, that's the way it's going, and right now it works absolutely amazing. And yeah, I mean, it still will drift no problem. It's slightly slower 0 to 60. I mean, as far as I could tell from the speedometer, but of course the speedometer is way off now, so 45 might be 60 miles an hour now, for all I know. It is probably isn't that excessive, but you know what I mean. So 0 to 60 time, I'm not really concerned about it. I'm more of a rock crawling adventurous type. I mean, I like going fast too, and that's the other thing too, is you can really rip on this thing now, go hauling ass down the trails, and it just soaks it up. It rides great, handles good, and it just gave me like way more confidence in the whole car that no matter what I did, it's gonna go, it's gonna get there. I'm not gonna have to worry about it sliding off the trail and going off a cliff, anything like that. I mean, this thing will slide if you want it to, but if you don't want it to, you just point it and it goes. It looks amazing. Power is, I mean, I don't really, if you didn't know, like if I didn't go and actually rip this thing on the same spot wide open with both sets of tires on it, I wouldn't know that I'd lost anything. And the only reason I know that is because I remember looking down when I did it last time and I was doing like 60 plus, and it was like, maybe I ought to chill out a little bit. But at least now, if I'm doing 60 plus, I feel confident that I'm not just going to roll the car. Because like it would be all over the place with these little stalkers. And I mean, these things have like 60 miles on them. Way difference in tread. These side lugs just bite like crazy. It goes through mud no problem. Like these, we went through a big mud puddle in them the other week or last week, and the car hydroplaned, kicked sideways, and we almost rolled it. Went through the exact same mud hole yesterday with this thing, and I was a little gun shy. Went through it a little easier the first time, absolutely no problem. Second time I would just rip through it like it wasn't even there, and then just kept going. I didn't even let off. I just ripped through the mud and kept going and went to the next turn like the mud was not even there. Besides, it like coated everything. But anyhow, that's enough blabbering from me. But anyhow, there will be a link in the description to these tires. Please use that link in the description if you're going to buy them. At least click on them, see how much they cost. You'll be amazed. And anyhow, Wolf Mountain Custom signing off. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see, and we'll go from there. But way more to come. Performance mods, stuff like that. By the way, I love the full rear windshield. The front windshield is great, but I'm never buying another rough country piece because that thing fits like crap. It has that fishbowl effect to it, and I should have bought the Super ATV one for like $60 more. But anyhow, I'll have links in the description for all of these different parts and stuff that I put on from Amazon, and I appreciate it. If nothing else, you guys just click on them. You don't even have to buy anything, just click on them, and then anything else you buy, I'll get a little kickback for it, and it really helps pay for all this stuff. But anyhow, Signing out. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you later.